This has to go on the Transformers stuff. I do not want it apart.
Oh yeah, because they take anything down. They see blood. That means money for them.
So remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Surrounding you with the right voices and moving them that cannot walk with you into your next chapter. This change is not forced or heavy, but gentle and steady, like a guiding hand that keeps you moving forward, even when you do not fully understand the reason behind it.
And they build
Habits and your mindset, so that when opportunity comes, you are ready to receive it without hesitation.
yeah, see, the Brad's kind of like the same thing Brad with that. It wouldn't be
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything, if I can see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.